Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming phase. In this video, we'll be discussing about search and search all operations we have in COBOL. So let's first start with the search. So search is a linear search method which is used to find element inside the table. So if we need to search any element from an array, we use search statement. It can be performed on sorted as well as unsorted tables. So it is used only for tables declared by index variables. So table must be indexed before using the search. It starts with initial value of index, and if the search element is not found, then the index is automatically incremented by 1 and it continues till the end of the table. So through the search statement, we can search any element from an array, but a table must be indexed with the index values. So let's execute the practical and go to the mainframe. So this is the basic structure of that program. We have COBOL. I have given the name search program, the member name, and the program name is same. So this is the basic structure. We will define one array, then we will search an element from an array through the search statement. So let's start. Define the array first. So we'll define here WS table. We will give value to this table, value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have given the values to the table, WS table. Now we will define the array element. WS A pick X of 1 or A alphabetic A of 1 indexed by I. So we have defined this one-dimensional array. We have given the value ABCD to Z, and then we have occurs. We did not give the occurs clause here. Let occurs 26 times. Indexed by I. So we have defined one-dimensional array which occurs 26 times and 1 byte. So each alphabet have the each alphabet comes under one occurrence. So WSA 05 insert WS any occurs 26 times, indexed by I. Now we will define one more variable, one more element which we will search. 01 WS search pick A of 1, value is K. Okay, so what we will do, this is the array we have defined, one-dimensional array, and this is the search variable we have defined. So we will search this variable WS search in the WS table. Instead search we give K, WS K. Okay, now come to the procedure division. Okay, now first we will set the index value to set I to 1. So what we did, index by I. So we have assigned the index I to 1. Next we will do search WS table, search WS table at an display K not found when WS A of I equal to WSK, then display alphabet K is found. So guys, we have added the search statements here. What we are doing, we are searching search, this is COBOL verb, search WS table at an display K not found. But when WSA index of Y, so index value currently is 1, so it will search first is 1. If K here not found, then it automatically index value incremented to 2. If not found, then 3, 4. So each element would be searched through this search statement in a table. And when WSA of index value I equal to WSK value is K. So if it is matches, then display K is found. And then stop. So let's compile the program now. Save the program. Program name is search program. Let's go to the compile JCL. Module 7, program name is search program. Search program. This is our source library, and this would be load library. So let's submit the compile job. Compile job has been submitted. Let's go to the export. So program abandoned. Let's check what the error is. So here instead of WS table, we need to add WSA since we are searching this element. See the program and compile the job. Go to the compile JSON again. Submit the compile job. Let's go to the spool. So program compiled successfully. Let's run the job now. Go to the run JCL. Here it is run JCL. The program name is search program, and this is our load library. Submit the job. Program job has been ran 494 with a return code 00. Let's see the output. So K value is found. K is found. So guys, K is found. So what we did, we have searched the K value from the table, this table, and K value is found. So as of now, we have discussed search option we have in COBOL. Let's move with the search all option we have in COBOL to search the element from an array. So this is a binary search. Search is a linear search, but search all is a binary search method, and it is used to find the element inside the table. Table must be sorted order for search all option. In binary search, what happens? The table is divided into two halves and determines in which half is such element is present. This process repeats till the element found or the end is reached. So let's execute a program and understand the search all option in COBOL. Let's go to the mainframe. So guys, we are at mainframe, and this is the basic COBOL program structure. We will write a program for search all. So this is member name, and the program name should be same. So we are writing a program to understand the search all operation we have in COBOL. So to understand that search all, we need to define a array first. So we will define array, and in array, we will store a values for employee record. So in employee record, we will be having the employee ID for 2 bytes and bonus for 3 bytes. Then for 5 employees, we'll add the values. So for value employee 2, we'll be having the bonus 300. For employee 3, we'll be having the bonus 400. For employee 4, we'll be having the bonus 500. For employee 5, we'll be having the employee bonus 600. So this is the employee ID for 2 bytes, and for 3 bytes, we'll be having the bonus. For 5 records, for 5 employees, we have added the records in the array. So let's create the array first. So at 05 level, we will be having employee record occurs 5 times. Ascending key is WS EMP ID and indexed by I. So this is the first occurrence we have, first element we have defined in an array. So let's add the group item. At level 10, we'll be having WS EMP ID for peak X of 2. And then we'll be having WS EMP bonus peak X of 3. So what we did here, we have defined one table array, which we called as array as well, for 5 employees. Occurs employee record 5 times. Ascending key, to do the search operation, we need to assign the ascending key as well. So this is ascending key is employee ID, which is group level for 2 bytes, and 3 bytes is bonus detail. So this is the value. For example, let me show you in Excel sheet. So if you see the Excel sheet, for the first employee, we have, this is employee ID and this is employee bonus. So for 5 employees, we have added the record in a table. So this table we have defined in the mainframe, in the COBOL. Okay. Now we will define one more variable which we will search. 04 WS search. Okay. Pick X of 2. So what we are going to search, this we define the 2 bytes. So we will search this employee ID, value we will give value of 03. So what we are going to do here is, for WS search ID, search insert ID. So this search ID, the WS search ID pick X of 2 value equal to 3. So we will search this ID 03 in this table. For 03, how much bonus we have? For 03, how much bonus we have? So this is employee ID and bonus is 400. So we are searching 400 for this employee ID. So let's do a search all operation. First display the WS table value. Okay, then we'll execute the search all option. Search all EMP record. We are searching this record which is occurring 5 times, and under this we have 2 elements, employee ID, employee bonus. So through this employee search ID, we are searching this table. At and display employee not found. Okay, when EMP record I equal to WS search ID. So instead of employee record, we can add here is employee ID, since we are searching with employee ID. When employee ID equal to search ID, when it finds display employee found in the table. Also we will display EMP ID index of I. Also will display EMP bonus I. Save the program. So what we have done here is, when employee ID for the particular index is equal to WS search, then display the employee details. So we are displaying employee bonus and employee ID. Okay. So when initially the index value is 1, and it automatically increase until the value is found, until the employee ID is found. So let's compile the program. Go to the compilation. Program name is search all. Submit the compile job. Compile job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. This is spool we have. Let's see the compile job. Program failed with return code 12. Display spelling is wrong. Display not defined. Let's check the error. Display. Here the guy display spelling is wrong. Let's submit, save the program, submit the job again, go to the spool, see the compile job again, and program compiled successfully. Let's run the job now. So go to the run job. This is the run JCL we have. Program name is search all and load library is. So this is our load library. Program name is search all. Search all. Let's submit the job. Job is submitted. Let's go to the spool. This is the run JCL we have, and the program ran successfully with return code 00. Let's come to the sysout messages. So see guys, we have found the employee ID 03. The employee bonus is 400. An employee found in the table. So guys, see for employee 03, this is for employee 1. Employee ID 02 and employee ID 03 is 400. 03 400. So now we have displayed the employee bonus whenever find the value 03. So we can see the output messages in the sysout employee bonus is 400. So in this way, now we have executed a COBOL program using the search all operation. So I hope guys you have understood the search and search all operation in this video. So thank you guys. We'll meet in the next one.